Hello, Center 2. So today we're going to be using this game to practice word
Let's
problems.
get started.
When you click on the game, it's going to load and you're going to first choose that orange. Hello, Center 2. We're going to go ahead and use this game to practice math word problems, both addition and subtraction. So when your game has been loaded, you're just going to click on the orange arrow.
Let's get started.
You will choose the first option, part, whole, two parts. They will give you some word problems and you're going to practice labeling your bar models and solving the word problems. So let's get started. The Lunar Squad trained 23 hours on Tuesday and 10 hours on Monday. How many hours did they train in all? As you know, you use your bar models. You're going to use the one at the bottom and drag them into the right column. Instead of the brackets, they're using this little line here. Now we need to label. Here where you see label, that's where you're going to put the label, and the labels are over here. You just need to click on it to drag it. So we want to label this bar model. We're going to say hours that was spent on Tuesday, hours that were spent on Monday, and total hours. When you're finished, press the green check mark. Now you're going to label the bar model. Now this does look a little bit different just because it is on a computer, but it's the same concept of the bar models that we're drawing in class. So it says the Lunar Squad trained 23 hours on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, I need to put 23 hours here. And then it said 10 hours on Monday. So on Monday, I'll put 10 hours here. And my question is asking, how many hours did they train in all? In all tells me it's addition. See, this looks just like our addition bar model. It's one bar model from the entire, how much is the entire thing put together? The only difference is that they should have been, 23 should have been a little bit bigger than 10. And then we use our little brackets to label below, but this will still work. Then you press the green check mark. It will then move you to this screen where you need to work out the answer and then type in the answer here. So the cool thing about this screen is that you can click on draw and you can work out the problem right here on this board. You do not need to use the whiteboard or use your book or anything like that. You can just work it out. So 3 plus 0 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. So my answer is 33. To put in my answer, I just need to press 33 over here on the number pad. Now I want to erase what I just worked out over here just because I want my work to look a little bit neat, right? So I'm just going to quickly erase that. And once I'm finished erasing, I press the green arrow and it will tell me I got it right. And to continue practicing with another one, press the blue arrow. So take your time, practice, practice, practice. Remember, practice makes progress, and have fun while learning. Bye.